Hey legends, it's David from Trail Adventures USA, and today we are going to install the RAGO shock skids on the Colorado ZR2. These are laser cut and welded right here in America, and we're always looking for great American products to represent. Now, as you guys know, the Colorado ZR2 shocks are the low-hanging fruit on these vehicles, subject to a lot of damage. So without further ado, let's get into it. So on the passenger side, remove the passenger shock mount bolt and dust cover. Slide the bolt out, slide the dust cover off. Check for compression and rebound on your shock just to make sure it's still good and there's no signs of leaks. Now remove the emergency brake bracket bolt.
Okay guys, so once you set the RAGO shock skid in place, and what I've done here is I'm just using a 3/8 long extension to help line up my shock inside the skid. And that's going to make it easier for you when you want to put in the bolt for the shock. All right, so basically put this on there and just let one follow the other. Okay guys, now because the RAGO shock skid mounts here at the shock, it can create kind of a pivot point. Now this bolt here is going to stop it from pivoting, but they also give you some heavy duty hardware. This is what I recommend you guys definitely use it. Don't skip this step. They engineered it this way for a reason, so we're just going to go ahead and install it. And it's got a nice Nylox bolt for the back. And just get your wrench on it and tighten it all the way up.
Now that completes the passenger side. Let's move over to the driver side. So same thing on the passenger side, just remove the shock bolt. You will have to remove your dust covers. They do not fit inside the RAGO shock skid mount. Make sure your hardware is nice and tight, install your retaining bolt, and it's finished. Guys, it's really that simple. This is definitely something you can do in less than an hour in your own garage. So make sure you get the RAGO shock skids and protect those Multimatic shocks. This is David from Trail Adventures USA. We'll catch you guys on the next episode.